My name is Sarah Williams, visual storyteller here at Olathe, Kansas. Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to talk about setting a table. We're going to start with a great runner. Not only is it a great foundation to let your centerpieces shine, but it also protects your tabletop. We're going to start with some humble votives that are really lovely. They're mixed metallics and they range anywhere from $5.99 to $9.99. We have copper, silver, some aged patina, a little touch of crystal there, and they're arranged in a stair-step motion down the center of the table. Just keeps things interesting. For the second layer, we're going to bring in some greens using these votives that we've already started with. I'm just going to put one at either end of the table. The greens don't even have to be the same, just mix them up. Then I've got another gorgeous metallic vase here that continues the theme, but isn't too matchy-matchy, and then brings in some soft greens for the centerpiece. Now I'm putting that in the center of the table so you can see each other across from your dining. For your dishes, you can keep it simple and just bring everything you need to the table. When we're busy, we just want to focus on getting everyone at the table so we can hear about everyone's day and make sure all is well. But if you want to make it extra special, focus on the end chairs. And we'll use this little basket as a charger. We'll layer this tea towel. It's really beautiful. It's another floral peony detail. And do the same thing at the other end. Now I like to use dinner time as a way to let everyone know how much we care about them. So one idea is to put a little note of encouragement on your table settings. And in our Kansas City location, we have these great little postcards. Now we're ready for dinner. Thanks for watching Tips and Tricks with Olathe, Kansas.